There we have it right there. You guys read it in the title, and I'm going to show you right now in the flesh how much I've made today. So closed positions or closed profit, $17,412.50 today, this morning. Of course, it was traded live in the Discord. But to be honest, I'm not here to sell you on anything. All I'm here to show you is exactly how I did it. So if you want to replicate it yourself, then you can also do it. And before we get into all that, actually, let me refresh the page so you guys can see I am not capping at all. Because honestly, if I couldn't refresh it and this was just all a prop from my account or whatever, then why should you believe in it? There we go. Exact same everything this week. Well, 17,000. It's Monday. The week just started. Today alone. Now it's not saying today because it's already fucking rollover or whatever, but you guys know the drill. Then this month, $21,000. And well, I guess this year is like 21,000 because the month just started. It's the second week of the month, basically. Alrighty. Now, before we get started, guys, please, I'm going to explain this to you. Usually, I used to go with a board and show you the strategy step by step. But a lot of you asked me in the comments and in my mentorship, and I do not doing like that and to just show you on TradingView. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. If you guys are liking the way that I'm doing it that way, or if you wanted to go be back in the My Reward way, then just comment down below. But as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get right into it. This was a trade in coin, and yes, my strategy works for everything, guys. You guys know this. There is no difference whatsoever on the pair. All that matters is that you respect the rules. That's it. Okay, so the first thing I was looking for was my daily bias. To do that, all I use is the daily and the 4-hour. That is it. Going to into that. Let me turn that off. Okay, here we have the daily on Bitcoin. What can we see here exactly is that we're creating higher highs and higher lows. How do we know that? Because we had a high, we had a low. Then right after that, the predicted high got broken up right here, creating a higher high and a higher low, previous or higher than the previous ones. So that for me means that the daily is bullish. Now we can step down to the 4-hour and do the exact same thing. And what can we see in the 4-hour? Even though the latest breaks are not bullish, you guys can see it right here. We had 2 breaks to the downside, one here, a second one right here. We're creating lower lows and lower highs. But that doesn't mean that the daily, that doesn't mean that the 4-hour is bearish. Why? Because previously we've had over 3 breaks to the upside. You guys see we had one here, a second one right here, and a third one right here. And because of that, we are still good to stay bullish. And that makes the 4-hour bullish. So now that was step number 1. Now that we know that it's bullish, we know that our market is creating higher highs, higher lows. That is the trend. So what are we going to look for? For the trend to keep on going, meaning that we're going to be looking for longs. Boom. That is it. That's how easy it is, guys. So now we can step down to the 1 minute and look for the 1 minute validation. And what we're going to be looking for is the exact same thing. Okay, so you guys can clearly see right here that the 1 minute is breaking down. It's creating lower lows and lower highs. We have not only 1 break, but 2 breaks right here. And the latest break, being the third one, is bearish. So it's creating lower lows and lower highs, like I said. So now right here, I wasn't looking for anything. And what I wanted is for the market to start creating higher highs and higher lows, meaning that all I was waiting for is for this high right here to be broken. So something like this. Okay, we get the break right there. And now all I'm doing is placing my buy stop order right here and my stop loss right below the low. And as always, guys, we're targeting at least a 1 to 2. And to go break even, all I want is for there to be another break outside of my entry zone, meaning that if we get a new higher high and higher low outside of our entry zone, we're going to be going break even. So right here, we're not break even yet because the higher low and higher high and higher low are both inside of our entry. So nothing, still not break even. Okay. And right here, because the higher high and the higher low are both outside our entry, then we are break even. Lo and behold, there goes the TP, and that's how I made over $15,000 today. Boom. If you guys want my free 5-hour plus course or whatever, just make sure that you check out the links in the description. And as always, if you have any questions, don't forget to shoot me a message on IG. I'm always willing to help you guys out. And like I said, I don't charge for anything. And also, if you want the indicator that I was just using, which kind of bugged out here at the end, you also get access to it once you claim my free course. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Pow. Oh yes, don't forget to fucking like the fucking video.